Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have an SC frame that can be either 33 to 47 XL, and it's right on the bracket system. It came on here beautifully without any damage. We had a certain technique of putting it on there without having to hurt anything or scratch anything or dent. So here you go. You've got a fully finished frame that's ready to be populated. We have our built-in panels that we are putting on there prior to the actual assembly, which makes more sense. And you got your little container cradle right here, and this is where your expansion tank, filter, and demand pump is going on this side. So everything is here as you've seen in previous videos. It'll be real sharp, look real nice on your truck or your van or trailer. And we're taking a lot of pride in what we do. This is a very well done, fully squared off, reinforced with baffles. It's got its clean out. It's got its intake right here that goes and actually goes out into your machine in the front. And there's your fill station there that's been plugged off. We didn't want to get any powder coat in the threads and corrupt the threads, so that's what we do. We put plugs on them. But this is just a beautiful unit, and like I said, this is where our water box is going. It's a low profile cradle, so it'll allow you to open it up without having to get in the way of anything, especially if it gets up closer to the ceiling. It'll allow you to get into your box, in the water box, and ensure serviceability. So there it is. And we got another one in blue that's going on there. Within 1 hour, I'll have another one to show, a blue model SC. And this is going to be for a 33 SC. The other one's going to be for a, I believe it's a 36. So orders are coming in, and we're doing a lot. Even in the month of January 2022, we've just been really busy. A lot of what we use now are Honda engines. If we can't get Kohlers, we use Honda. We have beautiful IGX 800, which is a 28 gross horsepower, but it's also nets at about 26 horsepower. But it's all EFI. It's just beautiful. And we're waiting on the Kohlers to come in, but a lot of people, just because of the established rapport and quality in which the Blue Baron factory has displayed in 15 years, people, they know what we're putting out. And also Honda is a really good engine. It's EFI, and it should do very well, especially in California and many other states. Very efficiently ran unit, and it's got its regulator here. It's rectifier, voltage rectifier, and it takes in the stator AC signal and rectifies it into a steady DC, 12 volts DC. And we're over here, we have a 37 horse Kohler, which was one of the last ones we could get. We're a Kohler dealer, but we got a whole list of Kohler engines that will be coming in soon. But we're just keeping this assembly going, and Blue Baron's been doing pretty well as far as outfitting people in the best that the industry has to offer. As far as durability, frame, we're dealing with quarter plate, elongated laser cut holes and cutouts for your water pump and your blower and your engine. We have a pedestal at the top for our heat exchanger. So everything is here that will give you longevity and performance. Once this thing gets populated, you'll really like what you see. I just thought I'd show you at the very beginning stages of building up a combo with a 105-gallon Aqua Baron water tank combo truck mount. Call us today at 727-505-2989 or see us online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Thank you.